Home chest exercise. Pump your pecs through our 3-week training program. 1. Number. Dynamic press up. Put your hands on the box in place of the diamond pressure. Lower your body and press out of the box so that your hands rest on the box between them. Look at that beard. Quickly lower your body and press upwards so that your hands return to the box in the original position. That is one answer. You have received the right to complain of Balboa-esque in this case. Bring it, hero. 2. Number. Spider-Man press up. Enter the normal compression area. Lower your head and bring your right knee to your right elbow, keeping it from the ground. Press the back up and return your leg to its original position. Repeat with the other leg. 3. Number. Click press up. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on a bench, chair, or box. Your feet are bent down. Bend your arms and lower your body until your chest touches the bench. Push your body back to the starting position. 4. Number. Refuse pressing up. Put your feet on the bench with your hands planted on the floor in front of you. Lower your body until your chest is almost down. Press your body back to its original position while pressing your chest. Pause at the top before repeating. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.